Number 1. Dentitox Pro Review. Is it real and best tooth decay supplement? You have to include a lot of vegetables and fruits in your diet plan. You also need to drink loads of water per day. These dental hygiene ideas Dentitox Pro vitamins may help you to get the smile you would like. All of them contain caffeine, which will be quite bad for your oral health. If you enjoy these beverages, then restrict your intake. Dentitox Pro supplement reviews to just once you want them, or else you'll be making yourself hooked on them. Your physician can help you decide what to consume on your diet which won't be damaging to your oral health. Not only is it necessary for grabbing food particles between teeth, but in addition, it will help to avoid plaque. This is where germs forms and hardens, involving Dentitox Pro dosage between the gums. Plaque can easily get trapped below your gum and trigger pockets to form that shield disease and cause debilitating inflammation. The very first thing that you will need for gum disease avoidance is a normal dentist's C. This will make sure your mouth is clean and there are not any problems brewing. Besides this, have a look at your dentist annually for additional important work. Number 2. Important benefits of Dentitox Pro Teeth and Gum Diseases Support Formula. This makes sure that you obtain a comprehensive cleaning between teeth. Use floss frequently. You might choose to work with more than one, however, in the event that you typically find gum disease and other problems. Flossing will allow you to keep Dentitox Pro testimonials your teeth healthy and will cut the danger of you becoming cavities. It's necessary that you be aware of the significance of cleaning your teeth frequently. This is only because your oral well-being can considerably alter the status of your heart. It's understood that the chance of getting heart ailments will probably be higher if you aren't able to regularly brush your teeth. Additionally, you need to always try to find the very best dental hygiene technique so that you may get a much healthier mouth. Below are a few very simple but effective ideas. Dentitox Pro nutrition facts which you could perform so as to keep a gorgeous smile. Dental implants. Dentitox Pro Price are extremely popular, but they have some severe complications related to them, such as a fungal disease. Your teeth will remain to look great for quite a while, but you have to take decent care of them so they don't get ruined. Number 3. Dentitox Pro Oil. How does it work? You need to keep in mind that you don't have to go to your dentist each year just so that you can maintain proper oral hygiene. Cosmetic Dentistry operates Dentitox Pro supplement trial by putting metal poles into your teeth. You get instant relief from a number of dental hygiene issues when you get implants. Attempt to brush using a toothbrush that is softer in your teeth. There are special toothbrushes that could enable you to stay away from hard bristles. Dentitox Pro FDA approved, which can break off your enamel on your teeth. Cleaning twice daily can help you to get a glowing smile without having to spend a great deal of cash on dental implants. As a result, you'll have the ability to stop your teeth from becoming damaged or stained. Additionally, routine cleaning will also boost the blood flow around your teeth. Good brushing, flossing and strokes may ensure the gum is well cleaned. Bear in mind that if you receive dental work, it can be exceedingly pricey. There are numerous things Dentitox Pro buy online which you could do to assist with the price, such for a discount. There are numerous locations which you may look into to get a reduction. It's almost always best to take a look at multiple locations so you can find the best price possible for your dental hygiene. Number 4. Dentitox Pro Liquid. Is it a natural and effective product for your teeth care? This includes evaluation, root canal therapy, and much more. Fifth, the most important element in regards to the value of cleaning your teeth every day is teeth alignment. It's essential that you maintain your teeth directly because this illness can result in a number of dental problems like tooth loss. As we are aware, Dentitox Pro before and after results that tooth reduction leads to overlooking of teeth. If you would like to maintain your teeth directly, you can seek advice from your dentist so as to have appropriate cleaning methods. Another aspect you ought to pay attention penis enlargement pills to is that the frequency of cleaning. What's more, you also need to brush your teeth until you eat your foods. This can allow you to eliminate any leftover food particles which may get trapped between your teeth throughout your meal. Third, it's extremely essential that you go to your dentist annually. Dentitox Pro pros and cons so as to have appropriate teeth cleaning. In reality, routine cleaning of your teeth can allow you to prevent many dental issues. It's correct there are a lot of men and women who don't see their dentists regularly. But this doesn't necessarily mean you ought to prevent this action since you don't understand how to brush your teeth. Number 5. Dentitox Pro reviews consumer reports. Is it worth buying? Final thoughts. Together with a fantastic oral hygiene regimen, you also ought to keep your weight in check. If you're overweight, this raises your risk for gum disease since excessive weight puts more stress on the gums. Thus, you need to work to lose weight. It's also advisable to avoid taking a lot of vitamins. Instead, start looking for high-quality nutritional supplements which can help promote healthy teeth. Dentitox Pro Pills reviews. Second, it's necessary that you have routine cleaning with an appropriate toothbrush so as to clean your teeth completely. In any case, you also should brush your tongue and gums frequently. Should you find it hard to brush your teeth and gums in your home, you can look for products on the marketplace which could help you eliminate plaque readily. A number of primary dental issues include cavities. If you're missing one tooth, then odds are you will require a filling or root canal therapy sooner or later. Number 6. Mark Hall's Dentitox Pro Drops. Added ingredients have any side effects? Check within these dental hints before you've got significant dental work completed so you don't receive any unwanted surprises afterward. In this time period, your dentist will examine your mouth employing Mark Hall's Dentitox Pro Nutrition Formula, an assortment of tools to ascertain whether you suffer from gum disease. Additionally, your dentist can conduct many different tests in your own mouth to find out whether there's a sign of gum infection. These evaluations include a visual evaluation of the interior of the mouth, an electrical X-ray of their teeth and surrounding tissues, and tissue samples required for laboratory testing. To begin with, you need to always attempt to brush your teeth 2 times every day. In addition, you might even add floss or interdental cleaners that will assist you eliminate bacteria and plaque. Just ensure you remember to brush your tongue too. Anyway, it's also wise Dentitox Pro for sale to see your dentist regularly so as to make sure your gums and teeth are healthy. Next, you'll also have to be quite particular about the kind of toothpaste you use. If you usually forget to brush frequently, then select for ones that are smoky. Fluoride works in 2 manners, one by assisting build up enamel and yet another by flushing out germs and toxins out of the mouth. Number 7. Mark Hall's Dentitox Pro Nutrition Formula. Is it clinically proven? Experts advise you have to be very attentive once you have dental care advice and warning signals to get healthy teeth. It's not uncommon for there to be countless instances of dental issues each year, but the majority of them are minor or non-serious. However, they can let you feel bad about yourself and decrease your self-esteem. That is the reason it's a fantastic idea. Dentitox Pro official website 2021 to become educated regarding the signs and signs so you may be a bit more prepared. Read this article to get some dental advice that may be convenient. Should you find out that you're experiencing gum disease, there are numerous remedies you may make the most of. One effective treatment is known as scaling, which entails removing tartar from the teeth. Additionally, tooth whitening processes may also help eliminate jagged teeth and make it possible for you to have a brighter smile. Consequently, if you would like to understand exactly what you will need for gum disease, keep these important wellness facts Dentitox Pro promo code in your mind. One more thing which you will need to bear in mind is you ought to wash your mouth thoroughly after drinking or eating. Drinking something such as Java can render germs in your mouth. Additionally, avoid eating sugary sweets or foods for an hour prior to cleaning.